Doctor, please. Tell me everything's going to be alright.
I'm sorry, sir. The final of our test says that my son has got into the terminal stage of leukemia. No, sorry, there's nothing.
Please, something is happening, doctor.
Down on my knees again tonight, hoping this prayer will turn out right. So there is a boy that needs your hand. Done all that I can do myself. Mother is tired, I'm sure you can understand. Each night as he sleeps, she goes and holds his hand, and she tries not to cry as the tears fill her eyes. Can you hear me? Am I getting through tonight? Can you see him? Can you make him feel alright? You can hear me. Maybe take his place somehow. See, he's not just anyone. He's my son. Sometimes late at night I watch him sleep. I dream of the boy he'd like to be. I try to be strong and see him through. Not who he is right now is you. Let him grow old. Live life without this fear. What would I be? Living without him here. He's so tired and he's scared. And he'll know that you're there. Can you hear me? Am I getting through tonight? Can you see him? Can you make him feel alright? You can hear me. Maybe take his place somehow. See, he's not just anyone. He's my son.
Doctor! Where is the doctor? Doctor, what's going on, doctor? Doctor, please, tell me everything's going to be alright. Doctor, what's wrong? Doctor, please, what's wrong? No, we can't listen. Doctor, no, doctor. Doctor, no. No, it's impossible. It's impossible.
Our God is faithful. Our God is faithful. He can never leave you hungry. You know, we're all soldiers of Christ right now. That's why we have to stand up and speak. You cannot sit down and expect that things will happen if you don't open your mouth. This is the rising of kingdom army. You are rising up from your feet and you are speaking what you want to see. Our God can never leave you alone. It is never too late. You might see right now that the challenge has overwhelmed you. You might see right now that your situation has covered you. You might see right now that all hope is lost. But our God is a great physician. Our God is ready to fight your battles. Our God cannot leave you hanging. Our God cannot let you cry in vain. Our God cannot let you speak in vain. Once you open your mouth as a soldier of Christ and you speak and you declare, God will never leave you. He will not leave you stranded because He is your Lord and your God. If He can do so, if a mother can care for her own child, what more can our God do? Our Heavenly Father